Hey guys, it's Kayden Rice here, also known as KaydenTheCoder, and today I'll start off telling you what KaydenTheCoder does and what this channel is all about. So pretty much I am a C++ programmer, and I will be making tutorials and tip videos on how to code in C++, and I'll be teaching you how to make various programs and giving you a lot of tips and stuff that will help you in the future if you want to be a computer programmer in C++. So our first tutorial today will be installing the IDE. Our IDE is code blocks, as you can see right there. And so pretty much code blocks is your IDE. You'll use that to write all your code in, and you can use it's cross-platform. You can use it on Windows, so that means you can use it on Windows, Mac, Linux, pretty much. Yeah, it's cross-platform. You know what I mean? Yeah, pretty sure everybody does. Anyways, so I'll pretty much start from the basics and move on to the hard stuff. So let's get on with this tutorial, and I'll teach you how to download it, and the download link will be in the description below. So let's go to our internet. Then we're gonna type in code blocks, and then it would probably be the first one, www.codeblocks.org. Click on that. This will take you to the CodeBlocks main page. You can read all this stuff if you want to. You can go to their forums, the features. Tells you all the features that CodeBlocks has. So we're just gonna go to downloads. You're gonna want to click download the binary release, not the source code or anything like that. The binary release, that's the one that you're gonna want to download. So yeah, there's if you're running on Windows, it's right there. If you're running on Linux, it's all right there and all right there for your 32-bit Linux and your 64-bit Linux. And then on the very bottom is your Mac OS X. So pick one and download it. So this is pretty much for Windows. So there's 4 different ones here, but the one you're going to want to do is this one right here, the Mingw Setup.exe, because you don't want to get any other ones, because that one is pretty much it's pretty much the same as mine, but it doesn't have like the debugger or the compiler. So you're gonna have to get separate compilers and stuff if you want to download that. So you're gonna want to download this one right here. So then you're gonna go over. You can download it from Barrel iOS or SourceForge.net. Pick whatever one you want. Follow the instructions that it gives you, and then you'll set it up and have it all set up. Then it'll pretty much just be this. It'll open like this. And then this is code blocks right here. All your files and stuff. And then that's pretty much it. You can create a new project, open an existing project, and you can see the tip of the day, next tip, and all that. You can read those yourself, and you can do a bunch of other stuff too as well. So in our next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a program and start coding. We'll start coding in the next tutorial, but I'll just show you what project you'll basically be using. What I normally use is the empty project, which you start off with nothing and you have to write the code yourself, the console code yourself. That's what I mainly do. I'll be showing you how to do that, but you'll be if you're new, definitely use a console application. Click go, click next. Make sure it's on C++, because C is a completely different language. So you're gonna want to use C++. If you want to use C, and if you're good with C, then you can use it. So you can call it whatever you want. Save it to wherever you want. I'm just saving it to my desktop because that's probably the easiest place. You're gonna click next. Make sure it's on the GNU GCC compiler, nothing else. You can click from all those. Excuse me, but you're gonna want the GNU GCC compiler. Make sure all these settings are the same as mine. Just copy them right now. Pause the video. So Click finish. Then you'll end up with, as you can see, nothing comes up. But what you're going to do is you're going to click sources, and you're going to click main.cpp, and then this will come up console code, and then I'll run this and tell you what this does, and then I'll explain it. So you run it, and then it'll print out hello world on your screen, and then I'll explain all this in a different video. But if you want to get started on a different code, just delete that. You don't need that. That's just the basic C++ code. Hello world. Hello world. So yeah, and then if you just go ahead and run that, nothing pops up on the screen. So yeah, that is pretty much how you download code blocks, and I just showed you how to what project you'll be using mainly. You can either use your empty project, which you start out with absolutely nothing. I'll be showing you how to do that in another future video, and yeah, so and then I showed you how to get the console application up and running. So please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video helped you. And if you have any comments or suggestions or questions, leave them down in a comment below or email me. I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thanks, and hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. Thank you. And I'll see you later.